Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture of the subject Principles of Business Management, we will be discussing event management, its meaning and importance, types of events, and management of event. Okay, we will also discuss the role of event manager into event management. Okay, so let's see what is event management all about. Event management is the coordination, running, and planning of all the people, teams, and features that come together to create every kind of event. Okay, what is event management? See, management of any event itself comes under or is included under event management. Okay, now in today's context, whenever we think about the different functions and events arranged by a household or the organization, yes, okay, considering the so-called schedule of such type of events, okay, it is not possible for a single person to look after all these things. So whenever we think about events and its management, okay, some of the teams they do work to coordinate such type of ceremonies, such type of rituals. Okay, so events traditionally means rituals and ceremonies. Okay, events are therefore used to include celebrations. Okay, different authors like Goldbat therefore highlights this celebratory aspect of event in his definition of events. According to him, a special event recognizes a unique moment in time with ceremony and rituals to satisfy specific needs. Okay, this opinion relates event to occasions like wedding, birthdays, inaugurations, religious festivals, etc. It does not consider activities like engineering exhibitions, sports competition, product launching, etc. Okay, now whenever we do consider events, okay, according to Gates, to the customer, a special event is an opportunity for a leisure, social, or cultural experience outside the normal range of choices or beyond everyday experience. Okay, this definition is more relevant, however, still it excludes the organizational events of various kinds. Okay, according to Anton Shone and Brian Perry, okay, special events are that phenomena arising from those non-routine occasions which have leisure, cultural, personal, and organizational objectives set apart from the normal activity of the daily life, whose purpose is to enlighten, celebrate, entertain, or challenge the experience of a group of people. Thus, events are described as those non routine occasions set apart from the normal activity of daily life of a group of people. Okay, now there are different types of events. Okay, okay, and there are different type of event management companies who do work a role of organizers. Okay, as per the requirement from major or VIP events, they do organize such type of event. Okay, or they do play a role of corporate hospitality. Okay, in which they do provide all that hospitality whichever is needed. Okay, then a product launching activity is also made by them. Okay, such type of things they do. Now, why it is important to have event management or how it is done? Okay, see, prior to actually seeing the importance of event management, okay, let's see the procedure, how the procedure is adopted to manage the event. So when it comes to event management procedure, what is done actually? Okay, it involves certain steps, okay, which starts from making a start and ends at a follow up. Okay, so one by one we will first discuss the procedure so that it will be easier for you to understand what is event management. Okay, so first of all, the first step is making a start. See, this has two aspects. that is finding out people to do the job and screening the idea. Okay, as you know, events are non-routine activities, and existing organization structure and resources perhaps may not be suitable for holding and conducting the event. Therefore, search out the right persons or team to do the job. Okay, the second aspect of making a start is sorting out or screening the event idea. It may be a ready-made idea given to you, like organization of conference, or it may be task which might not be yet be known. Okay, still it will be the task related to solving some problem or other. For example, we need to raise the funds to build the community hall. Is it? The first few steps in getting started are deciding who will do the job, understanding the idea, and finding out how much feasible is the idea. The initial stage of getting an event started depends on what kind of activity will be going on. Okay, we have to know the objectives of the event. Okay, then the event, as we have seen earlier, can be personal, leisure, cultural, or organizational. Then we have to set an organizing committee compound of suitable people. The members of this committee should possess wide range of expertise. Okay, the persons who will be included in such a committee should possess right kind of skills needed and time and inclination to work on such a committee. They should possess the background of doing such kind of work before. Okay, considering all these things, yes, the development of organization structure in event will be made based on event idea originates, an informal organization or committee is created, leadership structure emerges, a formal organization is established, then professionalism it takes place. Okay, then we need to see the event feasibility. Okay, means, okay, for this purpose the event idea is tested systematically. Okay, whether the special event required a feasibility process. To test the feasibility, usually, okay, some consideration are made, like what type of events were successful in the past with the available resources, what can be organized, what will earn the most money, do we have sufficient time to organize it, will the event win sufficient support and attract the public. If no, then drop out the idea. Okay, then the screening process is done. Okay, whenever we are making a start, okay, first what we did, finding of people to do the job, then what we are doing, the screening the idea. Is it? In the screening process, what is done, see, screening process is very important. An event should be possible to carry out and also should attract sufficient support. The screening will be conducted in the following manner. Okay, see what is done, what is the idea, what are the objectives, what is the general nature of the event, what is the purpose of the event, how should the event operate, what benefits are there for the participants. These questions will help to make screening. Sometimes a better range of ideas might be obtained by using evaluation criteria such as cost benefit analysis or concept screening, which is as follows. Okay, the marketing screen, this is process whereby the organizer can sort out what concepts will be most suited to the target market. This implies a good knowledge of the target market, that is the type of people, their demographic or social profile, familiar activities, past experience of events, size of the target group, etc. The operation screen, having screened the event concept against the marketing criteria, still there may be remain a large number of concepts which can work. Now the event manager has to consider what is achievable. All events have various resource needs. These needs are based on how adventurous, ambitious, and limited the idea are, what expertise and staffing is available, what locations and venue of required capacity are available at required dates, what time scale and technology will be needed, what legalities relating to insurance, license and permits are to be completed, etc. Finding out the replies of these questions is the role of the operation screen. The financial screen, all special events have budgets, they incur cost and also sometimes they make money. Financial screen identifies how the possible events will achieve this cost return relationship. Then event planning is to be made. Okay, yes. What is event planning? The planning is essential for successful event management due to following reasons. Okay, seeing the complexity of the events, the unusual requirements of event, which are different from routine and regular activities, the unfamiliarity of event organizers with its requirement. Okay, planning is the real key to what will happen. It is a process of advance and forward thinking. A process has to be broken into several component parts. Each such component part includes decisions and actions which make possible the further progress of an activity. Planning has following advantages. Planning reveals problems and opportunities. Planning involves people in the activity suitability. Planning acts as a mechanism to search the environment for information. Planning leads to better coordination. Planning creates and develops a focus. Planning provides a device for effective control of the progress and outcome of the event. Planning leads to better coordination. It creates and develops a focus. Okay. So though the planning is time consuming, still you are required to screen the ideas and proposal, draft plan outline, systematic detail planning is to be done by you. Then organizing and preparing of the event is made, event implementation is to be made, and divestment or legacy it is also needed. Okay, then the financial management of the event it is also important. Okay, you are required to manage the financial resources. Okay, then venue finding, logistic and ambience, this is also to be done. Okay, then marketing and public relation for the successful happening of the event it is to be made. Okay, then managing the event as a project. Okay, because uh, if you are successful at it, then surely it will lead towards fruitful benefits in the future. Then during the event, organization manager and the team they are required to, yes, walk through the event site, manage by walking about, communicate, check key locations at key times, delegate authority whenever needed, be tactful, identify, analyze problem, reasons, and initiate action for future, work steadily and take breaks. Okay, then it is close down, evaluation and legacies. Okay, while closing, legally it should be supported. Okay, no inconvenience or accidents should be done. Okay, considering all these things itself, yes, you can manage the event. Okay, then importance of event management. Yes, event management does saves the time, is it? Because yes, what you have done, you have given it to a third party, right? You have given this to this contract to a third party, right? As you have given it to a third party, what happens? See, you just are required to pay for that event. Okay, and the additional responsibility you have shouldered it to the event manager, so that person will be responsible for managing the things. So though it is your personal event, okay, either or in the absence of event management, what happens? See, you are required to totally manage the event, and you don't get time to even speak to your family, friends and relatives. Okay, but here, okay, whenever you hand over the contract to the event manager, what happens? Yes, the event managers they do successfully, yes, they do successfully manage all the things, and it definitely saves your time. Okay, then high level of creativity and originality. Yes, see, the event managers they use their mind in such a way that surely, okay, your event will be memorable. They use their creativity, okay, they use their distinctiveness, they apply these distinctive formulas into your event, and surely make make you satisfied at higher levels. Okay, then measurability. What is measurability all about? Okay, measurability means what? Yes, you can measure the satisfaction, because surely these people, as they have accepted contract from you, okay, they try to put something difference into your event, and your event will be distinguished from the normal events. Okay, the event will be made in such a way that, okay, no lacuna or limitations you will be facing. Okay, and surely your event will be made in such a way that it will definitely satisfy you. Okay, then avoidance of hidden cost. Okay, avoidance of hidden cost. See, many of the cost or the things for which you are supposed to pay in the events, okay, as the event managers, they do properly manage all the things. Yes, there will be avoidance of such type of hidden costs. Okay, hidden expenses which you are supposed to make. Okay, due to proper planning, the event managers, they try to evade it. They try to control the wasteful cost which you or we people we do in the event, whenever the event is happening. Okay, as they have planning, proper planning, yes, such type of costs they are avoided. Okay, then no stress or no tension. Okay, see, the event managers, they properly plan all the activities, is it, and your responsibility is shouldered on their hands, is it, you shoulder your responsibility with them. So what usually happens, see, these people, they relieve your stress. These people, they relieve your stress. Okay, because all the things they are planned in such a way that, okay, uh, definitely, okay, you will be relieved from your additional stress. Or else, see, whenever you manage your events on your own, what happens usually? Yes, you have to manage all those things, so you will be having stress, you will be experiencing stress still, till the event is fully managed or it happens successfully, right? Then effective risk management. Effective risk management. What is effective risk management? Effective risk management means, yes, the risk which previously, whenever you individually were going to manage the event, the risk which you might have faced. Okay, and how you would manage the risk. Okay, this thing, when it uh, when the responsibility is shouldered to the event manager, what happens? Yes, surely the event managers, they try to avoid such type of risk, they try to control such type of risk, and if the risk they think will be generated, then surely they try to control it, they try to effectively manage it. Okay, so this is the importance of event management actually. Then the types of events. Okay, let's see what are the different types of events. First event is leisure event, second event is personal event, third is cultural events, and fourth one is organizational event. Okay, so one by one we will go through it. First, the leisure event. Leisure, yes, what leisure event is, they are the recreational in nature, such as sports festivals, Olympic Games, World Fairs and exhibitions, film festivals, etc. Okay. Then the second type, personal events. Personal events, they are the personal in nature, such as weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, private dinner parties, etc. Then it is cultural events. They include cultural ceremonies, traditional rituals, heritage folk festivals, musical concerts, and art festivals, etc. Okay, then the organizational events. These events include commercial events, okay, the product launching, political events like rallies, public meetings of political leaders, charitable events like social service camps, okay, sales events, product demonstration, sales promotion camps, and procession, etc. Okay, these all are the types of events. Then the role of event manager. See what this event manager, is supposed to do overall. Pre-event organization. Okay, pre-event organization. In this, what he is supposed to do, the event manager, he is supposed to arrange for all the resources, including the financial resources and other which are needed, so that the event is organized or the event does happens in proper manner. Okay, means might be the human resources whichever he will be needing, financial resources which he will be needing. Okay, all these resources, they are arranged in the pre-event organization, is it? Then for example, if the people are to be invited, okay, such type of, okay, things, they are included in pre-event organization. Then it is planning an event that meets the stated objectives. Okay, see, with some objectives you do arrange the event, right? Okay, so first of all, you are required to prepare a blueprint of the event, okay, in which you will be highlighting all the points in such a way that yes, you will totally plan the event, okay, and the objectives will be met by such type of planning. Then working out event budget and logistic. Okay, working out event budget and logistic, what it means. Okay, see, where will be the location of the event. Okay, if you are arranging for lunch or dinner, is it depending on the event, okay, or if you are arranging for snacks and all, what should be the menu, whom you should be handing over the catering contract. Okay, all these things you will be doing in this. Okay, the event manager is supposed to do. Okay, then managing an effective event marketing campaign. Okay, what it includes. See, event marketing campaign, what it means. Event marketing campaign means, yes, you are arranging such type of event, right? You need to do publicity, right? If you want to collect mob, okay, you need to manage it effectively. Then managing the registrants, okay, on that day, those participants who will be coming to attend the event, okay, enrollment of such people, okay, whether you are having online registration or offline registration, okay, managing their enrollment, you're required to do it. Then on the day of the event, you need to look after all these things. Okay, for example, whether all the things they are going as per the plan. Okay, whether there is any discrimination, if there is a discrimination, okay, what are the steps which you will be taking. Okay, such kind of things you need to look after. Then communication to the attendees. Okay, see, meanwhile, whenever the event is going on, you need to connect the event. Okay, so through proper conversation and communication, you can communicate with these people. Okay, timely communication is needed to be done. Then post event communication, reporting and analysis. Okay, after the event does happens, you need to take a follow up. Okay, you need to communicate with the person who was the host, is it, as well as the guest or the invitees. Okay, how they are feeling, how they feel. Okay, such kind of thing. Then managing post event. See, after the event has happened, okay, you need to, yes, look after the guests also. Okay, whether they are satisfied. Okay, the host who has hand over the event to you, okay, whether they are satisfied. Okay, whether the invitees they are satisfied. Okay, this kind of thing. Okay, brief review you can take. You can review through some feedback forms, is it, so that it will be easier for you to overcome all the loopholes in the current event. Okay, so that in the next event arrangement, it will be easier for you to, yes, to properly arrange that event. Okay, getting it. So this is the role of event manager. With this we do conclude this lecture. Thank you.